Hey guys, what's up? So tuition top best jerseys 5, 11, 12, and 13 of the 13.7. The first is called JB Status Notifier. Receive notifications from jailbreaks.app is re-signed-revoked. This is called Gestures ets and enables iPhone as gestures on order other iOS 12 devices. This is called ets265 and basically H.265 HEVC video stream encoder at 265 companion link encoder for creating H.265 that's HEV standard. This is called Snowboard theming tweak that supports iOS 7.0 and up. This is called Snowboard Sounds Extension, Sounds for Snowboard. This is called Fox4 Tools, helper tools for the Fox4 tweets. This is called Live Fox4 Utils, basic utilities required by half of the Fox4 tweets. This is called Lightroom Bypass, and bypasses Lightroom login, no options enabled, just install and enjoy. This is called Fleet Us Delete Us, and they're finding Twitter's new feature called Fleets Annoying. This week, you're looking for to disable them, simply enable the toggle, and then Fleet Us Delete Us. This is called Kiara, and basically it's iOS 14's indicator dots brought to iOS 13. So you have blue, orange, and green. This is what they do. You can see there on top. This is called Circleizer, and brings you new music visualizer experience to the lock screen and notification center on iOS 12 and 13. This is called Bordy, and long gone are days where using Discord bot was the only way to send data from the phone to PS easily using using email, choosing Bordy. It's a tool that allows you to seamlessly sync your clipboard with your PC. You can sync text between PC and the phone or your iPhone and copy an image from the iPhone to the PC. The other way around is not supported yet. This is called Good Wi-Fi, better Wi-Fi preferences, removes RSSI limit, show no networks, and show MAC address. This is called Lock Plus Pro, and by far best lock screen tweak for jailbreak devices. You have a community over 10,000 downloadable free themes. This is called Badge Me, complete icon badge customization with animations. This is called Kill Background 13, supports iOS 13 and iOS 14. Supports iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, app switcher card, and swipe down. Rescue to kill all apps. Next week's theme is called Slide Over. Remake as you might call it. More detailed icon, new name. Hope you like it. Next week's called No Drag Temp Message Mods. Disable drag gesture temp messages. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.